Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right, I just finished filming and I'm not gonna let this Christmas look just go in vain like that. So I've come to review something that I've used on my face and on my knuckles, and they are getting better. You can see, girl, this is getting better. Like you know how I always complain about my bad knuckles, how dark they are because I use hot water and everything that has been happening. I've been able to figure out what works for me and what is happening and what I can do to get rid of it. So if you're having a problem with your back knuckle and your elbows are not the same color and you feel like, okay, you need to get it, look, my elbow is getting better. You can see the last time it was really black. It's getting better and I really love what I'm doing. And if you want to know what I'm doing, let's get to this video. Watch this video till the end and let's see if this dark knuckle thing and dark whatever body thing is not gonna go away. Girls, I'm really I'm really excited. So I will say welcome back to my channel. It's Christmas and I've done a lot of Christmas look, and the videos will come up, if not before this one or after this one, just whichever way, but make sure please that you watch it. See how I slid, how I pulled this look right here. Right here. You know what? You know, like I'm feeling myself. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna review two things that I've been using. One is going to be for this video and one is going to be for another video. So I know they said hydroquinone is bad on the skin, hydroquinone is not good to use, hydroquinone this, hydroquinone that, it causes cancer, this, that. To me, what I understood by hydroquinone is a chemical that goes into your system and it kills the thing that supplies darkness, which is